We're building a treehouse. I got this 98 square meter one behind us, ready to do the subfloor framing. Coming up, we'll show you the site, we'll take a look at the floor plan, and we'll show you a time lapse of the boys getting the piles set. Stick around to the end of the video for my big tip on drilled and filled. We first met this client a couple of months ago and she had consent already, came to us and asked us to price up the build. It's a beautiful area that's drenched in sun right now, but it is in a little bit of a gully. Will be a really nice home surrounded by trees. So here we've got a nice simple 2-bedroom design. Master bedroom, ensuite walk-in wardrobe at the end of the building. Nice large walk-through laundry with hot water cylinder and linen cupboard, great use of space there. Second bedroom and main bathroom with a shower, toilet and vanity. We've got a coat closet here and a study on the left. Then we move through to open plan living, and the open plan living will have a raked ceiling. We've got a kitchen and out onto a deck nestled in the trees. Make sure you subscribe to watch this build start to finish. Let's go back to first up when we had to clear this area, remove the trees and the stumps and get ready to build. The boys have done piles, had to drill down 4 to 5 meters, fill it with concrete. One of the biggest things I've learned with drilling and filling holes, when you're drilling down a couple of meters and you want the hole to remain a nice clean shape, as soon as you go down more than a meter, it gets really hard to clean the bottom of that hole. For the hole to work properly the way it's been designed by the engineer, it needs to have a solid footing at the bottom. The problem is if it rains and all this rain goes down and then into our holes, we end up with all this sediment in the bottom. That's not good to build on, and we have to start again. So what I've learned is that you want to pick a week window and you want to make sure that by the end of the week you are ready to pour concrete and you've got concrete in the holes and you can walk away. Sure enough, this Sunday, Monday was a massive rainstorm blowing through here and it was bucketing down. But we rested easy knowing that we'd done all of our work the week before, that we'd got it concreted, that it was all good to go. Next up, we're going to do subfloor framing. We're going to do bearers, joists and flooring. Then we'll bring in frames. Everything logistically on this site's a bit of a mish, getting it from the road down to site. Nothing we can't handle, and it's great to have another job. Real cool to be building this cute little treehouse. If you want to follow along with this build and all the other ones we're doing, go ahead, click subscribe.